in the previous class we have learnt more equation solving and more equation by using the transposing method and also from solution to equation, that is in the reverse path. So in this class we are going to solve an exercise 4.3. So solve the equation in that A question. So you may observe here 2y plus 5 by 2 which is equals to 37 by 2. So you may use the transposing method or separating the variable method also. So first what I will do here, first I will do the transpose 5 by 2 to the right hand side. Okay, so let's transpose here, write down the given equation as it is. Okay, and transpose 5 by 2 to the right hand side. Here there is a plus 5 by 2. If it goes to the equals after, it will become minus 5 by 2. Then write here 2y is equals to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. In bracket, transposing 5 by 2 to RHS. Okay, then simplify here 2y is equals to, so 30 here denominator is 2 here, then write the LCM as 2 and subtract the numerator 37 minus 5 which is equals to 2y is equals to 37 minus 5 is 32, 32 divided by 2, so it means 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja, right? So 2y is equals to 16. Then what we have to do? We have to separate the variable y here. So we have to do the operation division by 2 on both sides. Right here, divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. Then we will get here 2 by 2 into y which is equals to 16 divided by 2. So after simplification we will get y is equals to 8. So y is equals to 8 is the solution for the given equation. Okay. So at the same time there are some more examples in the first page. So you have to solve those equations. Okay. Then I will move to the question number C. A by 5 plus 3 which is equals to 2. Okay. So first I will do transpose here 3 to the right hand side. Okay. So then what I will get here? So A divided by 5 which is equals to 2. Here there is a plus 3. After transposing it will become minus 3. Okay. Then A by 5 which is equals to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So now I want to remove the 5. Means I want to eliminate the 5. So to separate the variable A. So what we have to do? Here there is a divide by 5. We have to do the operation multiply by 5 on both sides. Multiply by 5 on both sides. Then what we will get in the LHS? We will get A by 5 into 5 is equals to minus 1 into 5. Then do the cancellation here. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Then remaining in the left hand side is equals to A. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So minus 5 is the solution for the given equation. Okay. The same time we have to do the D equation. Then I will move to the question E. Then I will move to the E equation, that is 5 by 2 into x is equals to minus 5. You may observe here 5 by 2 into x. So here I will not use the transposing method, just I will divide, multiply by 2 by 5 on both the sides. Okay. So what I will get in the LHS? So multiply by I will take the reciprocal to make it 1. Okay. So reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5 on both sides. What we will get in the left hand side? We will get 5 by 2 into 2 by 5 into x is equals to minus 5 into 2 by ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are. Then remaining is here x is equals to 5 ones are 5 ones are. Then minus 1 into 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. It is the value of the given equation. Okay, it's clear? Yes. Then let's move on to the second one. The second question, solve the following equation. So here they are given some different equations. Let's solve these equations. The first equation is 2 into x plus 4, which is equals to 12. Okay, here 2 is multiplied by x plus 4, which is equals to 12. Okay, so first step, what we have to do is first we have to eliminate the 2. So here is the multiplication of 2. So we have to do the first step, divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, let's take the first step here, divide 2 on both sides. 2 on both sides. What we will get in the LHS? That is 2 divided by 2 into x plus 4, which is equals to 12 divided by 2. Okay, so now you cancel here 2 ones are 2 ones are, and in the RHS 2 ones are 2 6 are. And the left side remaining here x plus 4 is equals to 6. Okay, so now you transpose 4 to the right hand side. Then what we will get in the LHS? Remaining here x, which is equals to the orange is 6. After transposing the 4, the plus 4 becomes minus 4. Then x is equals to 6 minus 4 is 2 is the solution for the given equation. Okay, at the same time, let's solve the B equation. So 3 into n minus 5, which is equals to 21. At the same time, the first equation, first we have to eliminate the 3 here. So here there is a 3 into n minus 5. Right? So here there is a multiplication symbol. So we have to divide by 3 on both sides. Okay? Let's divide here. Divide by 3 on both sides. Divide by 3 on both sides. Then we will get in the LHS 3 divided by 3 into n minus 5, which is equals to 21 divided by 3. Okay, then cancel here 3 ones are 3 ones are. Then remaining in the left hand side is n minus 5, which is equals to 3 ones are 3 7 ja. Now we will get n minus 5 is equals to 7. Okay, so now what we have to do the next step? So in the next step we have to transpose minus 5 to the right hand side, then it will become plus 5. Okay, then LHS is equals to n, which is equals to 7 minus 5. Transposing to the right hand side, it will become plus 5. Then LHS is equals to n is equals to 12. So n is equals to 12 is the solution for the given equation. With the same time, you have to do the equation number C. Okay, then I have taken here fourth equation, that is minus 4 into 2 plus x, which is equals to 8. So with the same time, first we have to eliminate the minus 4. So here minus 4 is multiplied by 2 plus x. So we have to do the first step, divide by minus 4 on both sides. Okay, yes, let's divide here. Divide by minus 4 on both sides. Okay, then we will get in the LHS minus 4 divided by minus 4 into 2 plus x, which is equals to 8 divided by minus 4. Okay, so now you cancel here minus 4 minus 4 ones are 4 ones are, and minus by minus is plus, right? Then remaining in the LHS is 2 plus x, which is equals to, now cancellation in the RHS, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So here plus divided by minus, so is minus 2. Okay, so now you transpose 2 to the right hand side, then what we will get in the LHS, that is x is equals to minus 2. Here there is a plus 2, it will become minus 2 if it comes to the origins. Okay, then x is equals to minus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 is the solution for the given equation. Okay. So with the same type you have to do the rest of the equations. Okay. Then let's solve the next question. Then let's solve the third main. In that they are given some of the problems we have to solve these equations. Okay. So I have taken here 3 different equations and rest of the 2 equations we have to solve. Okay. The first equation is 4 is equals to 5 into p minus 2. So here I need the value of p, right? So I want to eliminate the 5 here. So 5 is multiplied by p minus 2. So first I want to eliminate the 5, right? So here 5 into p is there. So I want to divide by 5 on both sides. Divide by 5 on both sides. Yes. What we will get here? We will get 4 divided by 5, which is equals to 5 divided by 5 into p minus 2. Then cancel here, 5 ones are 5 ones are, and the remaining is 4 by 5, which is equals to p minus 2. Okay, so now here there is a minus 2, just transpose it to the left hand side. Okay, then after that minus 2 will become plus 2. Then write down here 4 by 5 plus 2, which is equals to p. So now you take the LCM for both. So 2 means is 2 by 1, 5 ones are 5 here, 4 plus 5 twos are 10, which is equals to RHS p. Then 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 by 5 is equals to p is the solution for the given equation. Okay. Then let's move on to the question number D. So 4 plus 5 into p minus 1, which is equals to 34. We want to find the value of p. So before going to separate the variable p, first transpose 4 to the right hand side. Okay. Yes. Transpose here. Give the arrow mark using the pencil. So in the LHS we will get 5 into p minus 1, which is equals to 34. After transposing 4, plus 4 becomes minus 4. Then we will get 5 into p minus 1, which is equals to 34 minus 4 is 30. Okay, so now you can see here it is of the type A question. So 5 into p minus 1, which is equals to 30. Okay, so first we have to divide by 5 on both the sides. So do the next step, divide by 5 on both sides. Okay, then we will get 5 by 5 into p minus 1, which is equals to 30 divided by 5. Okay, now we cancel here 5 ones are 5 ones are p minus 1, which is equals to 5 ones are 5 6 are, we will get 6. Okay, so now you transpose 1 to the right hand side, then we will get in the LHS p is equals to 6, minus 1 comes to the right hand side, it will become plus 1, therefore p is equals to 7. Clear? Yes. Then equation is 0 is equals to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. So here there is in the LHS there is a 6. No need to bother about that. Just transpose 16 to the left hand side. Okay. In the first step, transpose 16 to the right hand side. It will become minus. Then you will get 0 minus 16, which is equals to 4 into m minus 6. Okay. So now you simplify here. 0 minus 16 is minus 16, which is equals to 4 into m minus 6. Okay, so now we have to remove or eliminate the 4. Here there is a multiplication of 4 into m minus 6. Yes, what we have to do? We have to divide by 4 on both sides. Divide by 4 on both sides. Then we will get minus 16 divided by 4, which is equals to 4 divided by 4 into m minus 6. Then simplify here. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. Then 4 ones are 4 ones are. Here minus 4 is equals to 1 into m minus 6 is m minus 6. Okay. So now you transpose minus 6 to the left hand side. Then you will get minus 6 becomes plus 6 after transposing minus 4, which is equals to m. Simplify here. 6 minus 4 is 2, which is equals to m, or m is equals to 2 is the solution for the given equation. Okay. So with the same time you have to do the rest of the two equations. Okay. Then let's move on to the fourth question. Yes, the fourth question is construct three equations starting with x is equals to 2. So first what we have to do? So they are given the solution here. We have to do the equation. Okay, we have to frame the equation. So for the first step, what we can do? So first step, first multiply by 5 on both the sides. Okay, let's do it here. Multiply by 5 on both sides. Then what we will get in the LHS is we will get here 5 into x or 5x, which is equals to 2 into 5, that is equals to 10. So they are said to form the three equation. We can consider it as a equation number 1. The next step, subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, so subtract 3 from both sides. Then we will get 5x. From 5x we have to subtract 3, and from 10 we have to subtract 3. Okay, then what we will get? So 5x minus 3 is equals to 10 minus 3 is 7. So 5x minus 3 is the second equation. Okay, the next step we have to divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, to get the third equation we have to divide by 2 on both sides. Then what we will get? Yes, in the LHS, so 5x by 2 minus 3 by 2, then which is equals to RHS 7 by 2. So it is the equation number 3. Okay, so first step we multiplied by 5 on both sides, and after that we subtracted 3 from both the sides, and after that we divided by 2 on both sides. Then we will get 3 different equations. So having the same solution, x is equals to 2. If you solve 5x is equals to 10, you will get the solution 2. If you solve 5x minus 3 is equals to 7, again you will get the solution as 2. And 5x by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 7 by 2. If you solve, you will get the solution as 2 itself. Okay. At the same time, there is a big question, that is construct three equation starting with the x is equals to minus 2. So with the same time, you have to construct the three equation by starting with the x is equals to minus 2. Okay. So up to here I have completed the exercise 4.3. So in the next class we are going to learn about the applications of simple equation to practical situation. Okay. Then thank you.